Alright, welcome everybody. Sorry about the camera audio. I've got the 416 hooked up, but I am so lazy and I just don't want to deal with it because today I am just going to be doing a quick video about mounting. See if I can get it in the shot. This is a small rig mounting bracket thing. I don't remember what it's called. It probably has a whole bunch of numbers and letters and cool stuff like that. It is actually a pretty cool mounting system. Got a giant panel in the back that is rotating, which is cool. You can tighten it up. Got a lot of mounting if you need to put it into just a stud. It's actually got really good spots here, or you can go wide. So it's actually pretty cool. It's a little heavy. It actually probably weighs more than the light that it's holding up, but if it does the job, it does the job. So let's do this. I want to get this done so I can turn the heat or the fan back on because it is sweltering in here. Got my spot kind of pre-cleaned off here. Looks like we got one here. Somewhere back there. I don't know if we can make that work though. It's possible. So I can hit myself in the face here. I can get it close enough here that the right side is on the stud probably, but I don't think I can get it in the middle. I don't even know if that's going to work. Well, doesn't have to be ridiculously strong. Let's see what happens. Worst case, end up with a bunch of holes in the wall that I end up patching. And this kit does actually come with, I don't know if you can see here, this actually does come with both wood screws and bolts for cement, which I will not be using today. It kind of feels like this probably should have included washers. These actually do. Maybe I can steal these. Yeah, it's a little better. I'll just do that. Okay. And I'm doing all of this off camera, which is really compelling content. You're welcome, guys. Of course you can't see any of it. I'll hold it up next to my eye. Good job, Panasonic. I have a feeling... Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I've been mounting everything in here with roughly... Well, they're not 1/4-inch screws. They're actually noticeably smaller than these. What I've been doing is putting in the little plastic inserts that spread out like cleats or whatever, so it doesn't pull back out of the drywall. I've been using those for everything in the ceiling and they worked out really well. These did not come with them. These are wood screws, and I do not think that because of the position of this that I'm going to be able to actually get into the stud, so I think what I'm going to do is do what I've been doing with all of these and use the smaller screws with plastic inserts because I think they're going to be a little bit stronger long term. I wouldn't really be that concerned about it, but this bracket actually weighs more than the light I'm putting up, so I want to be careful. Alright, so this think you can really see them. This is what I've actually been using. Screw this in, and these spread apart and lock it into place. Sorry, you probably can't see any of this, but these take a 1/4 inch. So see if we can't make a mess here. The answer is yes, I can always make a mess. See how close we got. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. I'm kind of nervous about testing it too much, but I think it'll be fine. It's not a terribly expensive light, but wow. These are pretty short light cords. I'm gonna have to actually use my extension cables there. Yeah, wow. It's pretty short. This isn't a review, but I have never yet had good luck getting this softbox to stay on here in what I feel like is the right place. In my opinion, this could have been designed a lot better, but it is what it is. I'll get that worked out later. I still have to put the extension cord on here because this isn't going to work, obviously. But I suspected this would be a thing. I already bought black extension cords that would match all this. So technically I can actually move this out of the way if I want, which is kind of cool. Maybe hit my backup cam here. Sweet. So yeah, if I need to, I can go all the way over here. That's cool. For the life of me, I don't know why that would be a thing, but it's an option. Probably right about there. Ish. Alright, cool. Alright, well, that's it for me. I gotta go open some windows and turn on some fans because this is ridiculous. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this has been helpful. Hopefully this gave you some ideas for what you can do in your own studio space. I actually like this. I can show maybe some before and after pictures of what it looked like with all the light stands and now without them, and it looks so much better without all the light stands. It's crazy. I love it. I should have just done this from the start, but oh well, what are you gonna do? Alright, so if you enjoyed this, do the thumbs up like thing, subscribe, all that stuff. Honestly, just hopefully you found this any kind of useful. That's kind of what I'm going for here. Okay, thanks. See you later.